Kyle of H2O RX Sprinkler Repair. I've got some exciting news that I wanted to deliver to you personally about the sprinkler evaluation program. Many of you know me through the Tarrant Regional Water District's sprinkler program, and some of you know me through the Tarrant Regional Water District's Green Pros program. What we are doing at H2O RX is, instead of having a sprinkler evaluation for free every 3 years, we're now offering it every year. So that you can get information. Do I have broken heads? Do I have leaks? Is my programming still right? Is my seasonal adjustment still correct? But also as a turnkey operation, because we know that only half of that is a water saving tactics. The other half of that water saving tactic is the repair side. So now as a turnkey operation, we can also deliver you with sprinkler repairs of broken heads, efficiency nozzles, all of that information that you're used to. So follow us, subscribe to us, so that we can give you the tips and tricks of sprinkler information. We can give you the information about seasonal adjusting and what your seasonal percentage should be in the current months, as well as emergency shutoff information for freezes and things of that nature. So just follow us, subscribe to us. We're here to help you. We are your prescription for a healthy lawn. And remember, we are saving Texas water.